Hello, beautiful people. It's Dr. McCoy-Wilson, and this lesson explains the very misunderstood semicolon and colon. So let's do it. Semicolons are used in very specific instances. Recognize first that they are not commas. Semicolons are not commas. So first, we use a semicolon to combine two sentences that are related in subject matter. And that's the way that they differ between commas, because we do not use commas only to combine two sentences. But in the case of the semicolon, we need only that little bitty punctuation mark to combine two sentences. So here's an example. Our trip to Paris was canceled, semicolon. We plan to try again next summer. And notice right after the semicolon is a word that begins with a lowercase letter instead of starting a new sentence with a word that begins with a capital letter. The second way that we use the semicolon is before a conjunctive adverb, when they are being used to combine two independent clauses. So I'm sure you're asking, what's a conjunctive adverb? Conjunctive adverbs are words like however, therefore, moreover, and furthermore. I'm sure there are other conjunctive adverbs, but we're just going to stop right there with our list. Now let's take a look at an example. Use a semicolon before a conjunctive adverb when they are being used to combine two independent clauses. So let's look at it. Nadia wants to learn to skydive. Semicolon, however, comma, she has a fear of heights. We have combined those two sentences using a conjunctive adverb, and we have used the semicolon to do that. The other misunderstood punctuation is the colon. Colons can be used in a few ways. So here's the first way. Use a colon to represent time with the numbers. It's 6:00 p.m. in Arizona right now. So the little two dots between the 6 and the 2 zeros, that represents time. The next way we use the colon is in a salutation, in a business letter or an email. And I know emails these days lack some of the formality of the business letter, so make decisions based on your audience and based on the setting. So here's an example. Dear accounting department, colon, or dear marketing, colon, or dear Dr. McCoy-Wilson, colon. Finally, colons are used to introduce a list if the list follows a complete thought. And this is what I mean. Here's an example. Please use the following ingredients, colon, flour, comma, butter, comma, sugar, comma, and oil. And that's it. I hope I have been able to clear up some misunderstanding about those very misunderstood colons and semicolons. Happy writing, everybody.